Every streamer knows that growing on Twitch isn't just about streaming, it's about turning your best moments into content that reaches new viewers and lets your channel stay alive even when you're offline. But clipping while you're in the middle of the stream can be tricky. When there are a bunch of things that you have to juggle all at once, the right moment might just slip by even before you hit that clip button. Luckily, ClipGPT and its new Clip on Twitch feature is here to assist you. Let's take a look at how it works. In ClipGPT, when you already process your stream, by the way, if you don't know how to do it yet, check out our recent ClipGPT tutorial. You can see a Clip on Twitch button, but before you go ahead and click it, we need to make sure we've added StreamLadder as an editor in Roles Manager on Twitch. We need to do it so that when you click the Clip on Twitch button, the clip you've chosen can be published directly to your Twitch channel. It will appear alongside your other clips. To do it, you need to head to your Twitch account. Click on your account icon, then open Creative Dashboard. Under Community tab, you will see a Role Manager. Click Add a Role. Here you have to search for StreamLadder.com and assign it an editor role. And that's all there is to it. Now that StreamLadder is set up as an editor, you can choose any clip from your ClipGPT project and publish it directly to your Twitch channel. This means that you can focus on streaming, interacting with your audience, and having fun, while also making sure that your most exciting, memorable, and funny moments still get shared. Now you can go ahead and let your content reach even more viewers than ever before. Thank you for being with me today. Make sure you follow us on social media, and see you in the next one.